Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. John 41 said, beware the people who aggregate about aggregation. Okay? And beware the people who moralize about aggravations. Moralizing is easier than fixing hard facts and proofs. So as we're going to discuss today, as we analyze the questions that I've been given, allow time to make it hard to face the facts and proof, but is this what necessary? So the question that I need to answer today is this. Who is my inspiration of the office? My answer of this question is this. My inspiration is definitely the customers. Without the customers, Aegis People Support is nothing. Without the as customer representative here in Aegis People Support, we have to please our customers. We have to deliver customer service excellence. According to Megan Burns, the forester researcher of the Massachusetts, the experience of the individuals and what they heard from their families and friends will swell to their relatives and friends and the likelihood to do business with a company. Now, business process outsourcing in the Philippines has come gradually 46% since 2006. Can you imagine that? Without the customer representatives, without the customers, we don't have salary. Without the customer, Aegis is nothing. Am I correct?
Yeah!